from recording so many voice packs and doing both Japanese and English voice packs that I already sound like a kid doing English voice packs, but like when I do Japanese voice packs, my voice even becomes like 5-year-old. I don't know what happens when I speak Japanese, but like it becomes even more baby when I speak Japanese. I don't know how it works, but yeah, English I'll be fine, normal. But then when I go to Nihongo voice, it just ahaha.
広告
Kokoku. Advertisement. Not centered. Hey, don't judge me. It was just my first photo. Fine. Here, fine. I'll do it better. Dang it.
広告
There. Good enough. There. Kokoku. It's raining. I like the rain. Wow. So pretty. Me. Oh, Ami or Sora.
空
Or Sora. From your photo flashcards and tasked with photography for photo. But I can't even English. How am I supposed to Japanese? Biboo, oki janai. Oi, 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 oi. Biboo, chisai. Daijoubu.
覆われる
Owareru.
覆われる
How do you double O?
覆われる
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification button.